Number 10.
Trying to carry a ladder is often an accident waiting to happen. It can be an uncomfortable, awkward, and sometimes painful experience. Introducing the Levelok Permanent Mount Shoulder Pad, a light and comfortable way to carry any extension or combination ladder. Installation is a breeze. Simply secure one shoulder pad to the ladder of your choice, making your ladder safer and easier to carry. First, find the center of balance for your ladder by adjusting where you pick it up. Mark the center of balance. The shoulder pad mounts directly to the ladder rail. Carefully remove any labels that may be at the balance point. Reaffix the label at another location on the ladder. Clean the ladder rail with the approved cleaner and let dry. Peel paper off the back of the shoulder pad, then carefully align and press the pad centered over the balance point. And make sure that the pad fits securely on the rail. Then smoothly attach the shoulder pad. All shoulder pads are made entirely of water-resistant polyethylene foam and have a small depression which provides space for the pad to mount over rung or rivet protrusions on most fiberglass and aluminum ladders. The Levelok shoulder pad was designed with comfort in mind and weighs less than 2 ounces. Carrying your ladder should be safe, easy, and pain-free. Order a permanent mount shoulder pad today.
Number 9.
DuraSack by Halstead is the essential household tool for indoors and out. Expertly engineered to be self-standing when opened, DuraSack's rugged design can handle loads as high as 1,000 pounds, yet it weighs merely 2 pounds itself. Simply rinse out, wipe clean, and hang or fold for next time. DuraSack can be used over and over again. It's up to the task. From hauling, cleaning, do-it-yourself jobs, and more, the DuraSack heavy-duty home and yard bag is the strongest bag made for the toughest jobs.
Number 8.
The Sealy 4-ton modular car ramp kit is ideal for portability and storage and is suitable for professionals and DIY applications. The modular design enables users to change the length of the ramp by easily removing and reattaching the simple interlocking sections. The 350mm wide ramps allow for a broad range of vehicles, with a recommended maximum tread width of 290mm. Manufactured from durable UV-resistant polypropylene, the ramp has a 4-ton maximum capacity, or 2-ton per ramp. It allows access to the underside of the vehicle, making for easier repairs and maintenance. The Sealy 4-ton modular car ramp kit, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealy range.
Number 7.
Sure, the Graco TrueCoat 360 DSP applies paint and stain up to 10 times faster than brushes and rollers. Of course you won't have to thin the paint. It's a Graco, so you know it'll lay down a smooth, even finish every time. The difference is what you don't see. With the TrueCoat 360 DSP, painting just got easier. How much easier? Let's just say it's in the bag. Just fill it with paint or stain, and with one simple squeeze of the bag, you're ready to spray in any direction, even upside down. And when your project is done, just toss the bag for fast and easy cleanup. And there's no need to thin the paint prior to application, thanks to Graco's longest-lasting tungsten carbide pump that easily applies thick materials and leaves a smooth, professional finish with just one coat. The TrueCoat 360 DSP also features a dual speed setting, giving you optimum spring control. And for even more control, select either a 4-inch or a 12-inch spray tip to match your project needs. Both included. Whether you plan to paint indoors or outdoors, the TrueCoat 360 DSP will provide a professional finish, faster and easier than any handheld sprayer on the market. Pick up a TrueCoat 360 DSP today and discover just how easy painting can be. Graco TrueCoat 360 DSP. It's in the quality. It's in the speed. It's in the ease. Quite simply, it's in the bag.
Number 6.
Specifically designed to save time and money, Speedjaw branded tools by JS Products utilize patented features that allow fast adjustability. These precision-made clamping tools and low-profile bench vices are world-renowned for their strength and durability. Unique to this vise is the speed jaw button, a patented technology to allow rapid adjustability of the jaws to open or close. Simply depress the button to rapidly clamp onto your work object. Also unique to the speed jaw vise is a ductile ratcheting handle to allow the unit to function fully while mounted in the center of any workspace. The ratcheting action allows fine grip adjustment on the strong serrated steel jaws, and with a flip of the selector switch, the jaws can change from tighten to loosen. The unit includes a 360-degree posi clock disc to provide accurate positioning. Not only do these discs allow the unit to swivel, but precision machine numerals allow precise rotation and positioning for the operator. Moving the speed jaw vise is a snap. Unfasten the latch from around the base to separate and relocate your vise virtually anywhere. Offered in 4 sizes, these discs match your specific vise. One comes with every unit. Also available are accessories designed specifically for your speed jaw vise. Non-marring pads safeguard delicate work. Ductile iron metal fabrication pads increase gripping surface, while curve pads are specifically designed out of glass-filled nylon to secure your pipe and tubing projects. Simply place these jaw pads flush against the top of your vise and enjoy increased gripping capabilities. Speed jaw low-profile vises were designed and engineered in the USA and are packed with revolutionary patented features.
Number 5.
Leave the heavy lifting to Sunex Tools with the new and improved 22-ton heavy-duty floor jack. Featuring full air actuation to raise and lower the ram with a simple turn of the variable speed control knob. The springless ram design eliminates weathering, rusting, and damage of spring and spring retainers. The high-quality seals and components provide durable, long life, and the sturdy one-piece handle eliminates wobble and reaches 48 inches for safe operation. The improved air retraction system offers a smoother lift, and the flash-chromed ram is rust-resistant for effortless operation, as well as protection against weathering. The extension screw and 3 stacking adapters provide an additional reach of 3.93 inches for a maximum height of 22.2 inches. The lower profile design provides a minimum height of 8.75 inches.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
Speed, versatility, and long life. The Tarantula hole saw from Spyder. Carbide-tipped blades cut up to 10 times faster than bimetal hole saws, and the durable carbide has a 50 times longer service life. Tarantula cuts through wood with nails, steel, stainless steel, cement fiberboard, and more. No screwdriver needed. Rapid core eject technology makes core ejection easy and fast. Speed, versatility, and long life. The Tarantula Hole Saw from Spyder.
Number 1.